We are in the mid of the month and mid of the week. I will give a simple phenomenon of success. By the time you come in the mid of the month or mid of the week, what will happen typically is you will feel you are exhausted. You will feel you need a break. You will feel you need some rejuvenation. So let me give a simple analogy for you to understand. Your emotions and your mind are like wild horse. They have lot of energy but zero focus. They are distracted, they are moving all around, they have all the things, and if you listen to this too, your emotions and your mind, what will happen, I will tell you, it will play games with you and it will make sure that you lose. How? Let me give you an example. Let us say you started the week with certain goals. So you started first 2 days, you might have put all the energy. By the time third day come, you'll feel like, okay, we are almost on target. Let's take a little break. Let's become little relaxed and let's go ahead. So what happens now? You will end up wasting 2 days. And then again Friday comes or Saturday comes, you will see you are out of your track. Same thing in your health goal. By the time, let's say you started your weekend, you said, man, this is the best time, I will put a lot of effort, I will do exercise 5 days. So 2 days are gone, you feel like a winner, and third day your body says, yeah, this is the right time to take a break. This is the time to indulge in the food. Let me take some tasty food. Let me eat something which will give me pleasure. And what happens out of it? The 2 days of hard work, third day, when you get into that mode, neither you get into exercise, and on top of it, you eat a lot of garbage food. And what happens now? Your body is out of control. The problem with the third day, when you take a break and eat a lot of food, fourth day when you reach to gym, your body will not carry that enthusiasm to exercise. Why? Because already you have taken a lot of food which you are supposed not to take, and on top of it you have not done exercise, so your body has become lethargic. So this is the secret. So I'll repeat again what I'm trying to say. In a fundamental way, do not rely on your emotion and your mind when it comes to goal chasing. When you're setting your goal, definitely emotions are involved, because without emotions, how will you succeed? But once that is done, do not get involved with emotion anymore. Create systems, and with those systems, follow your routines, you will become successful. There is no harm in taking a break. There is no harm in indulging in some food once in a while, but make sure it is hardly 2 times or 3 times in a month, not more than that. If every week you start doing it, your body cannot resist and it will get into temptation, and every 1 day which you waste, you actually waste 5 days. So take care, folks, apply this, and I am sure you will see a lot of success. And if you find it is adding value to you, do not keep with you. Pass it on to 5 people, because we can help more people with what we learn. It was great talking to you. I'll meet you tomorrow.